Wow! Look at this place.
It's so big. Stay close to us, children.
Allie, look! You are chosen for the race.
Me? Really?
I am happy and scared.
Yeah! You are so lucky, Allie. You are so lucky, Allie.
This is the big arena.
Many dragons are here today. Many dragons are here today.
Good luck, new boy.
Thank you. I think.
Allie, meet your partner, Zumi.
Hello, Zumi. Are you okay?
Don't be scared.
That dragon never wins. He can win. Just wait.
Let the young dragons find their courage.
We will practice, Zumi, together.
We will help you too. Today we start training, Zumi. I want to help too. Wow, look how excited he is.
Good morning, Zumi. Ready to practice? Hold tight, Allie. Sit steady.
Okay, Baba. Good try. Do it again.
We can do better, Zumi.
This means faster. This means slower. Faster, faster, slower, turn. Faster, Zumi. Now.
Slower.
Yes, we are flying.
Well done, Allie.
It's okay, Zumi. We are safe.
Here, Zumi. This is for you.
You are brave. We will try again.
Turn left, Zumi.
Great job.
Turn right now. The race goes through the canyon.
That sounds scary. That sounds scary. Zumi, do not worry. Allie is with you. We will fly together, Zumi. You are doing great. Thank you, Sara.
Move aside, slow ones.
Do not listen, Zumi. Stay focused.
You are strong, Zumi. We do not need to be fast. We need to be smart.
This cave could be a shortcut.
Let's remember this, Zumi. You did it! Perfect landing! I am so proud of both of you. Tomorrow is race day, Zumi. We are ready. Together.
Welcome to the Young Dragon Race.
Good luck, Allie.
See you at the finish line if you get there.
We will see.
And they're off.
Go, Zumi, go! job! Keep going!
Too slow, little dragon. Out of my way!
Zumi, no! Stay calm. Slower. Just breathe with me. You are safe. I am here.
There you go. I am proud of you. Zumi, the cave! This way!
Zumi?
We caught up! Keep flying!
What? How did they catch up?
Never give up, Zumi!
Go, Zumi, go!
Listen, they are cheering for you!
We are almost there. I believe in you.
And Zumi finishes strong.
We did it, Zumi! I am so proud of you! You were amazing! Well done, my brave boy.
You flew well today.
Thank you. You too.
Come forward, young rider. Your dragon flew with courage today.
We flew together.
This medal is not for speed. It is for teamwork. Well done, Zumi and Ali.
Ha! Thank you so much!
Good race, Zumi. Everyone loves you now.
You showed real courage today.
I am so proud of you, Ali. You are part of our family now. Meow meow. Let's celebrate tonight.
Yes! With Zumi too.
Here, Zumi, you earned this.
We make a great team, Zumi.
Trust and friendship, the greatest treasure.
Best trip ever!
Thank you, Zumi. Forever friends.
Forever friends.